Daisy Granny Square Crochet Tutorial. You can crochet multiple pieces and join them to make clothing, headscarves, bags, or blankets. Materials needed. Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Chain 1. Then crochet 8 single crochets into the ring. Place a stitch marker on the first and last stitches. Pull the ring tight to close dot at the end of the round. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Tighten well, as the SL Saint does not count as a stitch. Round 2. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Place a stitch marker on the third chain dot in the same stitch. Crochet 1 more double crochet. This completes a double crochet increase. Repeat this pattern around. 1 double crochet increase in each stitch. For a total of 8 double crochet increases. Round 3. Attach the light blue yarn in any stitch. Chain 3. Counts as first double crochet. Then crochet 2 more double crochet stitches in the same stitch, totaling 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 1. This forms one petal group. Skip the next stitch and repeat the pattern in the following stitch. 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1. Repeat around, skipping 1 stitch between each group. You should have 8 petal groups total dot at the end. Leave the yarn loose. Do not cut. Round 3. Now attach white yarn in the skipped stitches from round 2. Chain 3. Counts as first double crochet. Bring the light blue yarn to the front over the white chain. Then chain 4. In the next skip stitch, crochet 1 double crochet. Chain 4. Repeat this pattern around, total of 8 white petal groups. Join with a slip stitch, but do not cut the white yarn. Round 4. Light blue yarn. Pick up the light blue yarn again. Chain 3. Counts as first double crochet. In the next stitch, work a double crochet increase. 2 double crochet stitches. In the following stitch, crochet 1 double crochet. Chain 2. This completes 1 group. Repeat this pattern around. 8 groups total. Before the final slip stitch, bring the white yarn to the front. Round 4. White yarn. Chain 3. Counts as first double crochet. Then crochet 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet increase. Chain 4. Then bring the light blue yarn to the front. In the next stitch, crochet another double crochet increase. Chain 4. Repeat around. 8 groups total. Round 5. Light blue yarn. Chain 3. Counts as first double crochet. In the next stitch, work a double crochet increase. 2 double crochet stitches. In the next 2 stitches, crochet 1 double crochet each. Chain 2, 1 group complete. Repeat around 8 groups total. Before the final slip stitch, bring the white yarn to the front. Round 6, light blue yarn. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then skip 1 stitch dot in the center stitch of the 5 double crochet group from the previous round. Crochet 5 double crochet stitches. Skip 1 stitch, then crochet 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2, 1 group complete. Repeat around 8 groups total. At the end, cut the light blue yarn and weave in the tail. Round 5, white yarn. Chain 3 counts as first double crochet. In the next stitch, work a double crochet increase, 2 double crochet stitches. Push the blue petals down. Then crochet 5 double crochet stitches into the back white chain 4 space. Turn to the front and crochet 1 double crochet plus 1 double crochet increase in the next stitches. Repeat around 8 groups total. Join with a slip stitch but do not cut the yarn. Round 7, chain 1, then crochet 6 single crochet stitches, 2 half double crochet stitches. One double crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet increase. Chain 2, double crochet increase. One double crochet, 2 half double crochet stitches. Three single crochet stitches. This forms one side of the square. Repeat 3 more times, total of 4 sides. Round 8, chain 2, then crochet 3 half double crochet stitches. Eight double crochet stitches. In the chain 2 space, double crochet increase. Chain 2, double crochet increase. Nine double crochet stitches. Repeat for all 4 sides. Fasten off, weave in the ends, and block the square for a neat finish. After cutting the yarn, weave the tail through the back of the work, hiding it within the stitches before trimming the excess. Gently stretch and shape the square for a polished look.